The New Orleans Landbridge Shoreline Stabilization and Marsh Creation project is located on the east shore of Lake Pontchartrain and in areas surrounding Lake St. Catherine. The project area is located on either side of US Highway 90 and is immediately due south of the Wrigleys. Historically, tropical storms and hurricanes have been the largest threat to land loss in this area. Wind and storm surge from Hurricane Katrina contributed to the loss of 70 acres of interior marsh, which was converted to open water. Additionally, articulated concrete mats are going to be placed along 3 miles of the project area to stabilize the shoreline, which will reduce shoreline erosion and interior marsh loss. The project will help maintain the integrity of the East Orleans Landbridge. It will protect fish and wildlife resources that rely on the marsh habitat. And then in addition, it will protect US Highway 90, which is a major hurricane evacuation route. The $25.4 million project is funded by the CWIPR program, or the Coastal Wetlands Planning, Protection, and Restoration Act. CPRA has worked closely with our federal sponsor, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, to design and implement this project. The project budget includes funds for engineering and design, for construction, operations and maintenance, and monitoring of the project over the 20-year project life. The project will create 3 new areas of marsh in Orleans Parish. The project is expected to be complete in December 2022.